Okay, so I have a 2005 Chrysler 300 and I'm having a no crank, no start issue. It began the other day. I pulled into a parking lot. It ran just fine all the way there. And then when I got back inside my car, it started. And then as I was reversing, it only went about a foot or so. And then it stalled on me and I couldn't get it to restart up again. And now I'll show you what happens when I turn it on. Okay. So we know it's not the battery. We've already replaced the battery. It has a fresh battery. It's just making that buzzing sound when I try and turn it on. The gauges don't, like all my lights are working. Headlights are fine. My dash is lighting up. But yeah, other than that, I'm not quite sure what it could be. I've heard it could be the starter, it could be the fuel pump. I'm just not quite sure where to go from here, which would be the best way to approach this.